I'm Andrew.
I'm Alyssa.
And this is Braggin's Adventures.
Room 6451, and I will forever stay in these rooms when I'm on the ship. There's only a couple on each deck and only a couple of the decks, but it's a weird L-shaped room, but it's the same price as a regular balcony room. So I'm going to show you this. Remember, this is not a standard stateroom, but it's the same price. And we're coming through the entrance, and we've got all the closets here on the left, but it's like this weird hallway. Desk area, mirror vanity, little couch. Our king-size bed right here, the TV there. We have this cool extra window. Bathrooms over there. And last time we were here, we actually stayed in that room. And then our balcony is a little larger than your standard balcony room is. And then little bathroom. There's a shower, right? Little toilet. Bathrooms are always small on cruise ships. Why we booked this is it's a little more spacious inside, but why we booked this is because that balcony is like a good 2 feet longer than your standard balcony room. But this is the same price. It's luck of the draw. When you're searching for your rooms, you just have to look for the L shape. Why is it L shaped? This room and the room next to us surrounds the crew staircase, right? So the crew staircase is right on the other side of that wall. That's why we have this cool shape room and that super big balcony, which we love. I cannot, on this class ship, on the Radiance, I cannot stay in another room now. Like I said last time, we were in the room adjacent to this. Our buddies were actually in this room. And we have this room this time. My oldest son booked this room across the ship over on the port side. So, because I was like, dude, you have to book this room, right? So we're super stoked to be here. You know, staterooms are small, guys. I mean, it's a cruise ship. You're not in your room to hang out. But that balcony is where it's at, because I can get that continental breakfast in the morning, and then I can go eat it right out there and have this extra space. Sorry about the dark light there, guys. Sun's behind me, it turns out. So I'm super stoked to be on this ship. We're happy to be here. We are 4 drinks in on our cheers package, and we're just gonna, have a good time today. Guys, I just wanted to stop for a second and point out our awesome new Braggin's Adventures lanyards. And I've got my cool Guys Pig and Anchor beer selection pins, my VIFP gold pin from the last cruise, and of course an Alchemy Bar Drinking Society pin. I've got a bunch more Alchemy Bar pins on Alyssa's. And we're just stoked to be here, guys. I mean, we haven't, we haven't gone on a cruise since January. I know, that sounds braggy, huh? January. That's a little shout out for our buddy Jason. Long story short, he was very drunk, and I asked him his name and then asked him his birthday. I wanted to make sure he was safe. And he answered the birthday question like 6 questions later. He was just like, January.
And his birthday's not even in January.
It's not. His birthday's not in January. We have no idea why he said January. But it was one of the coolest things ever. So anyway, this is our room. We're 4 drinks in our drink package. Day 1. We've had some good food. We're having a good time. We're excited for the Braggin's Adventure crew to hang out for a week aboard the Radiance. And I don't even know if you could see behind me. Let it linger there. But that's the Queen Mary right there behind me. I'm just gonna show you. We're gonna show you the Queen Mary. Right there. One of our favorite ports, guys. I mean, why would I ever cruise anywhere but Long Beach? This is an amazing port. It's gorgeous. We got the Spruce Goose Dome, Queen Mary right there. We're on board the Radiance. We have a super extended balcony. And I lied before when I said 2 feet long. It's twice the size of a standard balcony. We love this ship. We love this port. We love these specific types of rooms. They're the L-shaped rooms. They're towards the aft. And I think they're only on like decks 4, 5, and 6, or 5, 6, and 7, or something like that. There's only 4 total on each deck, 2 on either side, port and starboard. So, when you're booking, book one of these L-shaped rooms because you get a little extra space, you get a lot more closet space, and you get that awesome, like, super-sized balcony. It's amazing. I think we're going to go grab some more drinks and see what the day brings.
Good morning, everybody. We just wanted to, as we do with all our hotels, just talk to you about the room. We've stayed in Carnival staterooms many, many nights, but we've never filmed for you, so we want to talk about our experience with it. What were your thoughts on the bed?
I thought it was comfortable.
Pretty comfortable bed. I actually slept probably better than I have in a long time.
I got hot.
It did
which
get
is
hot.
Weird for me.
But not weird for staterooms. It's recommended if you are a warm sleeper, bring a fan. Those little USB fans are fine, just something, because the ACs in these rooms, they're not the greatest. They're just not. Bathroom, I'll tell you, toilet's a good height. I've never had issues in the bathroom of a Carnival ship. Room's spacious enough for what it is. I mean, we were in here 6 hours. You know what I mean? I don't think it was 5 hours. It is what it is. But like I said, if you're a warm sleeper, definitely bring a fan. And for those of you that don't know, if there's anyone on the planet that still doesn't know this, staterooms have a single outlet. Well, I mean, technically it's 2 outlets, but it's way over there by the desk. There's nothing around your bed or anything like that. So just know that, be prepared. You've seen in our videos, and I'll link to it in the description below, the little USB block that we bring. We plug that in, and we can plug 6 devices into it. Remember, you're not allowed to bring surge protectors. I don't understand why. I never have understood why. But it's a rule. You can't bring surge protectors on a ship. Walls are magnetic, so you can bring those little metal hook things and put them all over the walls to hang your coats and stuff. But closet space.
Oh, there's so
Plenty
much.
of closet space, guys. So much storage. Loved it. 3 more nights?
Woo.
3 more nights?
Hey guys, it's Andrew. I didn't mean to interrupt your video, but I just wanted to take a moment to ask you to click that like button, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And if you could, please do share these videos on social media. And by the way, we love chatting with you in the comments. Let us know what you liked or disliked down below, and let us know what you want to see in the future. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you on the next adventure.